Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and we are still staying here sa Novotel, Manila, Araneta City. And for today's video, get ready with me because we are going to attend a big event. And this event, guys, is the first ever Klook Creator Award Night. And yes, were actually invited. There will be a lot of Klook creators na attended, guys. I think nasa 300. So we'll see kung ano yung makikita natin at ano yung mga inihanda ni Klook para sa mga Klook creators. Alright guys, so we are going down sa basement kasi dadala tayo ng sasakyan kasi nagdala ko guys ng pampalit. Baka may party, alam niyo yun. May pampalit tayo. And also, dala ko rin yung ating extra batteries ng ating camera para naman makuhaan natin yung event until the end of the event. So that will be from 7:45 p.m. to 12 midnight. I'm really excited guys kasi first time, and then we will be able to meet halos lahat ng Klook creators. Yan, si Diana. So bali guys, itong outfit natin. Ang team pala ng party is Palm Royal Chick. Mag-outfit check tayo. So ang bali, ang suot natin ngayon, yung pants ko is from Uniqlo and also my polo from Uniqlo. Actually bumili ako ng isa pang polo sa Mango, and then ayun, dinala ko rin siya, tapos nagdala ko ng extra shirt para pag pinagpawisan tayo, meron tayong pampalit. And then baka lang magkaroon tayo ng katulad guys na polo dun sa event, so at least meron akong pampalit. Sana yung Mango walang kapareho, at sana ito rin walang kapareho. And anyway, nag-decide na rin ako bumili ng polo kasi hindi talaga ako nagpo-polo guys. Nakikita niyo yung ating mga beach vlog, mga Boracay, Bohol, nagpo-polo tayo, 'di ba? Kasi pinapatong ko siya. Pero yung mga casual na ganito, hindi talaga ako nagaganito. And also pants, hindi ako mahilig. Pansin niyo yan, naka-shorts ako palagi sa mga travel natin. Pero naiisip ko kasi na may paggagamitan naman ako ng mga suot ko ngayon sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin. So yon. The venue will be at Glass Garden sa Pasig. So ang call time actually is 7:30 to 7:45. Pero ano pa lang, magsi 7 pa lang, mas okay na yung mas maaga tayo, or mas okay na yung maaga tayo. And then siguro yung event is mag-start ng 8.
A few moments later.
So guys, finally we are here after siguro mga 20 to 30 minutes drive. And in fairness, umaambon. At saka marami siyang parking space. Here. Anong need?
Can I get your name?
Mark Albert Paragas. Thank you. Mark. Hi guys, Miss Maki here.
Hello.
Our Philippine representative. Yes. We're gonna enjoy this first
Let's
ever.
go.
Yes.
Ayan na, nag-picture-picture ka na ba?
Oh yeah.
Go mo na yan.
Next time, Miss Maki. Next time.
Madami pa yan, marami pa. Madami ng tao. In fairness, akala ko everyone's gonna be late.
Yeah, the weather.
Yeah, how long did you get here?
20 minutes.
Uy, ang
Kasi
bilis.
ako sa Novotel.
Ang dami na
Vlog na
nag-check-in.
rin,
Ang
yeah.
dami nag-check-in. Oo, content na rin.
Alam mo yan, sulitin.
Hi!
kayo ng mga travel vlogs niya. At panoorin niyo din travel vlogs ko. Oo.
Sa YouTube na.
At gamitin niyo yung clue code niya. Clue code niya.
Agaw pa. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Shout out naman. Mark po.
Hello! I'm get away here. More power sa vlogs mo.
Run, yes. Thank you po. Doc, pa-shout out.
Oo naman! Ano sa shoutout mo?
Mark.
Hi, Mark! And sa lahat na nag-review kay Mark, sa viewers ni Mark.
Yeah, kung may mga problema ka sa credit card,
Oh, magtanong lang kayo. Sinasagot natin yan always.
palagi naka-live. Yeah. Thank you, Jax.
Nice to meet you.
Marvin. Pa-video naman. Pa-shout out. Ano naman? Mark. Mark? Yes.
Hi, welcome to Mark's channel. We're here at the Club Awards.
Awards night. So, pinag-follow ko to. Isa ka sa mga ano ko, naging inspiration sa travel vlog. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Nagpa-comment ako sa iyo eh. Ayan. Hello guys. Thank you.
All the creators here tonight, let's give them a big round of applause. Yes, my name is Jazz Reyes, and your first challenge as a film creator will continue to inspire all of us. Now, without any further ado, let's go up first with the Travel Innovator Award.
And the Travel Innovator Award goes to Hazel King.
And our Travel Luminary Award goes to Jazz Reyes.
May speech talaga, na-pressure ako, but thank you so much naman. I want to thank each and everyone. Klook firstly kasi I believe that Klook really democratized travel. Traveling, doing it yourself, di ba? Removing all of those expensive fees na nakita mo sa labas. And I think the Travel Luminary Award, I think it's all for us all na creators here as well. Because kahit pa paano, di ba, we support each other's content. Whenever we see each other's content, we hit that like button, we save it, and we learn from each other. And last but not the least, syempre, to all of the followers, to my followers, to your followers rin. Kasi kung wala sila, di ba, all of those like, those shares, those saves, sila talaga ang bumubuo to who we are and what we do, and why we do what we do, to bring the world closer every reel, every photo at a time. Thank you! Para sa akin to.
Congratulations, Jax! Fun fact, pantalon ko po yung sinusuot niya. Kapatid ko po, Travel Creator Award! We're celebrating a content creator known for their travel-related
Congrats,
content.
Jax.
He's gained popularity and received, and our favorite female travel creator nominee or awardee is
Jen Baraka! And our favorite male travel creator is Archie Largo! Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo lahat, hindi man siya or hindi nyo man na-realize yung effort na nakuha nyo during that time. Pero dadating din yung panahon na may recognize din yung mga bagay na ginagawa ninyo.
and we will be recognizing
Mark.
10 creators who exemplify
You're the reason why I bought this.
global
Amazing, amazing. It's a good camera. It's a good camera.
Thank you.
Representative For our male best dress, we have Archie Larga. Ayan. Hinanap ko yung jacket mo kanina. Our first award is our Trend Setter Award.
Look Trendsetter Award goes to Archie Larga. Let me explain. So yung idea for that video, na ang inspiration ko talaga was si Miss Jen Barangan. Where is she? Jen, oh, si Jen, dahil sa iyo, kaya nagkaroon ng idea na pumunta ng Sapa. And yun, kung magpaplano kayo na pumunta somewhere in Asia, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-Vietnam, magpunta kayo ng Hanoi, then mag-side trip kayo to Sapa, like 2 nights. Sobrang ganda, tapos mag-akit kayo ng Pansipan.
sa Klook dahil tulad ng sinabi ko kay Miss Maki minsan pagka namimit ko siya, noong estudyante pa lang ako, iniipot ko yung baon ko and once a year lang ako nagka-travel.
Our Rising Star Traveler Award goes to Maine Bienas!
Thank you, Klook, for this award. Nanginginig po ako sobra. I can't believe this. Thank you, Lord.
And the Club Top Outbound Creator Award goes to JM Baptisio!
First of all, thank you so much kay God. Kasi siyang kasama ko all throughout this journey. Thank you kay Klook.
Creator of the Year Silver Award goes to the Senzon.
Para po sa lahat ng mga creators. Okay mo, wala na mag-asa. Post lang ng post. So, thank you, Klook.
All right, so the Creator of the Year Gold Award goes to Jax Reyes.
Siyempre, this award, I think, is not just for me, it's for everyone here. Kasi alam ko, everyday tayo kumakayod, gumagawa ng content.
If you have a drink, this is for everyone here. And, you know, everything has been said already. This job is not easy. But you guys make it easier. Thank you also, biggest props to Kian for being my greatest girl. I wouldn't be able to achieve anything in the creator program, to grow the creator program without her help. From 300 just last year, we started with literally 20 creators when I entered the club, and we're now 3,000 strong. And thank you guys for the patience, understanding. We will continue to improve and, you know, provide you guys all the tools and everything that you need to succeed in the creator program. Big or small, believe it or not, we look after all of you and we do our best to support everyone.
Cheers!
Cheers to all our creators. Congratulations. Thank you so much for enjoying a fantastic night with us. Thank you.
Binubudol nila ako mag-travel na. Travel ka na.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so finally we are back here sa ating hotel sa Novotel Manila, Araneta City. And so much fun guys yung nangyari sa Klook Creator Awards night. And grabe, I've had a chance to see halos lahat ng mga inspiration ko sa pagte-travel vlog. Nakakatuwa guys. And I had fun, grabe. Tapos ang babait ng mga tao, ang babait nila, tapos knowing na alam mo yun, lahat kayo doon is more on travel, lahat kayo doon is more on nagiging inspiration sa mga aspiring travel vlogger. Okay naman na ako, satisfied na ako, nakapagpa-picture na tayo kay Jax, kay JM, I mean may video tayo. Video greetings, pa-shoutout kay Jax, kay JM, kay Archie. Yung tatlong yun guys, nanalo sila. Tapos yung idol ko rin, si Marvin Samaco. Thank you guys. Grabe. I hope to see you sa mga upcoming travel vlogs nyo. Alright? So that's it guys. And see you on my next travel vlog. Mama, chuchu.